and welcome to Bella's Credit Corner. My name is Bella, and here on my YouTube channel, we focus on credit, finances, and money management. So in today's video, I want to talk more about the new credit card that Verizon is releasing later on this week. Now, before I jump into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when my future videos are posted on YouTube. So on June 22nd, 2020, Verizon officially announced that they are launching their own credit card in partnership with Synchrony Bank. Now, with this credit card, you will earn a currency that they are calling Verizon dollars. Now, currently, one Verizon dollar is valued at $1 US. So you can actually use this currency to either one, pay down your wireless bill, or two, purchase any devices or accessories. Now let's talk about how you can actually earn Verizon dollars using this new credit card. So you will qualify for 4% on any gas and grocery purchases. Now at the time I am recording this video, it is not clear if this includes purchases made at wholesale clubs like BJ's and Costco. You can also earn 3% on purchases made at restaurants. Now, again, it is not clear at this time if this includes purchases made with Uber Eats or DoorDash. You can also earn 2% on any purchases made directly with Verizon or at an authorized retailer. So things like paying your monthly wireless or Fios bill, purchasing any devices or accessories, or any subscriptions that are billed to you directly by the carrier. Now, you will also earn 1% on all other categories. Now, keep in mind, you must be a Verizon wireless customer to apply for this credit card, and you have a number of ways to apply for this card. You can do it over the phone, online, using the My Verizon app, or you can do it in store. Now, again, at the time that I am recording this video, Verizon currently has an incentive to get customers to apply for this card early. So the official launch date is June 26, 2020. But if you apply and are approved before June 25th at 9 p.m. Eastern, you can potentially get up to 1,000 Verizon bucks. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, one Verizon dollar does equal $1 US. So this can essentially give you up to $1,000 in buying power with Verizon. So it's really a great incentive to get people to apply early. Now let's talk about how this promotion is actually going to work. So Verizon has 1 million Verizon bucks allocated to this promotion. So they will essentially divide this million Verizon bucks evenly amongst every customer that applies and is approved before the deadline. Now, again, the maximum amount that you can actually get is 1,000 Verizon bucks. But again, this is definitely a great incentive to get customers to apply early. Now, is this a great credit card to apply for? I am definitely going to have to say no. While I do appreciate Verizon trying to create a new revenue stream, this credit card is so basic and very lackluster. When I'm applying for a credit card or considering to apply for a credit card, I want one that has either a currency that I can use and have lots of options, or it has perks that I can actually benefit from. Earning Verizon dollars just limits what you can actually do with this currency. And also, if you do decide to switch carriers, you would essentially lose the Verizon dollars that you earn. So if you are deciding to switch carriers in the future, you want to spend your Verizon dollars beforehand. Now, I do not intend to apply for this credit card, and in fact, I wouldn't qualify because I do actually have a different cell phone carrier. But if I did have Verizon as my cell phone provider, I still wouldn't apply for this credit card. Now, let me know in the comments below, do any of you intend to apply for this credit card? Or are you also going to take a pass and not bother applying? I do really like to hear what your thoughts and opinions are, so please drop a comment below. And as always, guys, thank you so much for coming by and watching today's video. And please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.